Greetings all, welcome to Mentaki. About myself, I have got around 20 years of IT industry experience. I have worked with variety of companies and played various roles. I am now trying to set up my own organization. We will really appreciate if you could help us get any IT project or product development. We will be able to take care of it end to end for sure. Meanwhile, I thought I will share whatever, we will share whatever we have learned so far. That's the reason we are creating these videos. Please support us. Let's get started. In this video, we will quickly see what is AI and what is the basic difference between AI, generative AI and machine learning. AI is nothing but artificial intelligence. We humans have the ability to see things, read books, read texts, recognize what others are speaking. We also have that reasoning ability. We can easily classify things, right? For example, if we are given with two set of pictures, one set of pictures have got fruits, and in the other set of pictures we have got machines like grinder, mixie, fan. We will be able to classify these things if they are mixed up, right? So we are trying to achieve this intelligence, the human's intelligence, artificially. That is the reason this is called artificial intelligence. How will we achieve it? We will train the computers, we will create the softwares, and we will bring in that ability of seeing, reading, recognizing speech, classification, all these things artificially using these machines and computers. That's the reason this is called artificial intelligence. Then what is generative AI? Generative AI is subset of AI only, but it generates new content. That's the reason it is called generative AI, meaning it can create a new text, it can create new video, images, etc. Because the machine and software has already learned the subject. With that knowledge, it will create new content. That is the reason it is called generative AI. So let us see what we do in our real life. We code things, right? Why do we code? We got a business problem. We have learned Java, so we will write the code to solve that business problem. Now the generative AI can learn the Java and it can also start to write code on its own by training itself. That is the reason this is called generative AI. Another example is, let's say we create a presentation, right? After that, our manager will come and say that we need to revise the presentation. We will typically receive the feedback from the managers, right? Accordingly, from the feedback, we will revise the PPT. The same can be done through generative AI. Okay, what is machine learning? Machine learning is also a subset of AI only, but in machine learning, what we do, the machine learning model will learn something from the existing data. For example, the approach itself is different. Typically, what we do, we receive input, we write some program in Java or Python. That program will take the data and process it, and then it will produce the output, right? This is how we have been traditionally coding so far. But in case of machine learning, what it will do, it will read the existing data. For example, 1 equal to 2, meaning 1 plus 1 equal to 2, 2 plus 1 equal to 3, 5 plus 7 equal to 13, something like that. It will 5 plus 7 equal to 12 actually. It will recognize the pattern from the data, it will learn itself. So if you give any futuristic value input to that machine learning model, something like 5 plus 4, it will say 9, meaning it will not immediately say 9, it will learn itself. It will try to predict that value over a period of time. That accuracy will be improved based on the feedback that we give to that machine learning model. That is the reason this is called machine learning. It learns from the data and then it produces or predicts or it decides the output or the result based on the learning it has got.